Aulwoouu 13 in 36W 5000K LED ceiling light. The Aulwoouu 13 in 36W 5000K LED ceiling light is an exceptional lighting solution that offers both style and functionality. With its sleek design, this LED ceiling light seamlessly blends into any room, making it suitable for various areas such as bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, home offices, and dining rooms. One of the standout features of this product is its high-quality construction. Made from durable aluminum, the Aulwoouu LED ceiling light is built to last, ensuring long-term use without compromising on performance. The use of aluminum also gives it a modern and elegant appearance, adding a touch of sophistication to your space. When it comes to lighting, the 5000K color temperature of this LED ceiling light creates a bright and crisp illumination. This cool white light enhances visibility, making it perfect for tasks that require clarity and precision, such as cooking in the kitchen or reading in the home office.